I've only lost like 3 windshields.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Yeah, that handle's long gone.
Oh yeah.
You won't just on the road. I appreciate it.
Whew. So what's your name and what's in here?
My name is JT, aka the Giraffe. I got 2 Teraamp 20Ks on 8 Crescendo Nindo 15s. 190 amp hour C-Max, 3 alternators, blah blah blah.
Okay. Wow. You built this?
Me and a couple of my teammates on Area 51.
Okay.
Let's see.
These are new. I don't think I've ever seen these. What is the RMS on these and the coil size?
3.5 inch coil, 3,000 watt RMS.
Okay.
And they are, while I'm breaking them in, they're taking every bit of that.
Okay. Wow. 4th order.
Yes, sir.
So what is that in the back that makes it look kind of different?
Okay, so when we built this, we built it cut by cut, screw by screw inside the truck. 815s in the 4th order was kind of hard to fit in the 2-door.
Yeah.
So I have 190 amp hour C-Max, and we had to make room for that. So we had to notch the back of the wall for the C-Max to fit behind the amps.
Okay.
So a lot of people were like, oh, this is 6th order? Nope, this is still 4th.
Yeah.
It's a 1 to 1.5 ratio, so it plays everything.
Wow, I believe it. Man. Any SPL tests?
Before I changed the subs out, I was doing a 62 at 35. But these are new subs. They've only had from the West Coast to here for playtime. So I'm not full tilting today, but we're still having fun.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Wow. Oh, yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
It's fun.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Man. And the subs are still breaking in?
Yeah. I'm not even...
Efficient too. I mean, there's just so many different things you can just grab with a build like this. I'm sure you're looking forward to once you get everything fine-tuned and perfect, broken in.
I've actually got a lot more power I'm putting in here.
Really?
A lot more power.
Wow. how is the windshield gonna hold it?
We'll see.
You'll see.
The F10 platform is actually really good at holding windshields. I've only lost like 3 windshields.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
fucking, hell, worst case scenario, I'll just double laminate that bitch.
Yeah. There you go. I'm like, can I look at the back?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Wow. And you said you're going to put more than just this?
I've got 8 8Ks at the house.
Okay.
And I've got 8 more sleeves of C-Max. So,
yeah,
I'm going to put 380 amp hour on the roof, and I'm going to put all 8 8Ks back here.
You really got your space right here to where you can almost not have to worry about.
Yep.
Wow, this isn't even on it. This is really fancy the way you got this amp rack.
Yeah. That's literally
I see that.
that much room. It was built to the truck. So.
How many cubes did you get?
I don't remember.
Probably like 55, 60 or something.
I really don't remember.
That's all good.
We built the box a couple years back. I've been changing it around.
Yeah.
You don't mind? I'd like to get a picture of me and you.